How to make private account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a private account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to create a private account on your Instagram apps, all you have to do is launch Instagram app. So let's say you have a normal public profile. First of all, just come to the home page over here, as you'd be able to find it. Let's say that you want to make it private. What you need to do is just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, you simply want to go to this option known as settings. Then what you want to do is just go to privacy option, and right over here you'll find the option called private account. You simply want to turn on this toggle, turn on switch to private, and your account will get successfully switched to private over here. And this way you will successfully make your account private on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.